We need people that want to be part of a company that is growing and part of a company that is going to make them feel like family.
We are a close-knit group. Here, everybody knows you, everybody knows your name.
We're a small team, so anything we do here, you can make a big impact.
This job has given me aspirations, and it has pushed me to be more than what I've ever thought I could be.
We make cooling solutions. This includes computer room air conditioners for large data centers, telecom buildings.
I think we have a great team, and the environment is a good place to work.
It's a friendly place. We all have fun. We all try to enjoy the day.
I like feeling like part of the team when I'm on the line and actually doing hands-on work.
What I like most about my job is always having something to build next. I'm able to go back and forth, do different parts of the line.
It takes all stations as a whole to come together and get a quality product out the door.
Since we're a small company and everybody wears many hats, teamwork is very important because I can't do my job unless somebody on production does their job. So everybody's everybody else's customer.
And it helps having everybody be cross-trained and know which areas need help at that time, so you can just jump in and work together to get the job done.
We have like a buddy system. So the person before you, if they leave out anything, you can recognize it.
It doesn't go past me if it's not right.
We want to be sure that everything passes at least a first yield test so that it doesn't have to come back or prolong the production time to get the order out.
That's why quality for us is very, very critical. Any downtime for our products means lost revenue for our customers. Like if the cell tower gets overheated, you will lose cell signal.
Without our customers, we won't have a job. We got to have the approval by our customers. That's the most important thing because we want your business.
People pay good money for what we're doing. This is our name. So if we do it right the first time, then one customer tells another customer, and pretty soon word of mouth helps sales increase and everybody's happy.
You want all your teammates to be there in order to get the product out. So you need for everybody to be healthy.
Safety is very important. We work with heavy sheet metal, and so it's imperative that safety comes first.
So we're like a family, and you don't want one person to get hurt in your family, so you take care of everybody.
I would say a new hire should be able to pay attention to details and pay attention to the part numbers.
Some people learn through watching, some people learn through hands-on. Go step by step. This is not a company that rushes you into anything.
With the work instructions, anybody could jump in on the line and, through help of a trainer, know what to do.
It's always someone there. It should always be good communication between the person that's training and the person that needs it.
I say just be open-minded. That and a good attitude.
We need people that want to make something happen. They want to be part of something bigger. And that's what this company is going to be.
We're gonna grow and you can grow with us.